Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you must be good and doing well in your studies. A very good morning to all of you and a warm welcome to our online classes of Science Standard 3rd. Students, in the last period we have seen what is the difference between feathers and wings. Feathers are small hair-like structure. They keep the body of the bird warm. They are of different colors. They are very large in number. Wings are the last structure attached to the body with the help of the strong muscles. Wings help the bird to fly. Now students, in today's period we are going to learn about feathers. A bird's body is covered with feathers. Feathers are of three types. First is body feathers. Feathers which are small and of different colors and cover the body of the birds are known as body feathers. Second type is down feathers. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the bird warm. And now third type is flight feathers. Flight feathers are long and found mainly on the wings. They help the bird to fly. Now students, what do you mean by aquatic birds? Some birds can swim in water. Such birds are known as aquatic birds. I have already told you aqua means water. So, the birds who can swim in water, such birds are known as aquatic birds. See the picture of duck. Duck is a aquatic bird. This is a picture of a crane. Crane is also aquatic bird. And also the swan. Swan is also aquatic bird. Now, features of aquatic birds. Aquatic birds have oil glands which keep their feathers waterproof. Oil glands मतलब एक विशिष्ट तरह की ग्रंथियाँ उनके अंदर होती है, बॉडी के अंदर होती है, जिसके वजह से उनके ये बर्ड्स के फीदर्स जो है वो वाटरप्रूफ होते हैं. They have web feet which help them to swim in water. Birds help in dispersal of seeds. They support our ecosystem and help it to function smoothly. Now see, birds help in dispersal of seeds. मतलब सीड्स को ज़मीन के ऊपर बिखेरने में बर्ड्स मदद करते हैं. और उसके वजह से क्या होता है? When the birds eat fruits, ये जो बर्ड्स होते हैं ये क्या करते हैं? फ्रूट्स खाते हैं. और फ्रूट्स खाने के बाद में these seeds are scattered by the birds. तो ये बर्ड्स के द्वारा ये जो सीड्स जो है वो ज़मीन के ऊपर बिखर जाती है और उसके वजह से जो न्यू प्लांट्स ग्रो होने में मदद होती है. दे सपोर्ट आवर इकोसिस्टम एंड देन अगेन वी आर हैविंग प्लांट्स, वी आर हैविंग trees, and when the fruits grow on that trees or plants we used to eat them. Okay, and again these plants are having fruits, birds eat that fruit, and again they scatter the seeds on the earth, on the ground, and like this ecosystem continues. Okay, so it help us to function the ecosystem smoothly. Now students, in the last period I have asked you one question. Do all birds can fly? So answer to this question is some birds like ostrich and penguin, they cannot fly because they are टू हैवी टू फ्लाई। उनकी बॉडी कैसे होती है? हैवी होती है और उसके वजह से वो उड़ नहीं पाते हैं। तो उसके एग्जाम्पल है ऑस्ट्रिच एंड पेंगुइन। कैन यू सी द पिक्चर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रिच एंड पेंगुइन हियर? Yes, really their body is too heavy to fly. Now, now students, you have to think and tell me the answer of this question. The question is, why do birds have streamlined body? You have to find out the answer. Dear students, use your brain power to give the answer of this question and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Now our lesson to be continued in the next period. So dear students, this brings me to the end of this video. I would like to stop here. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Wishing you a great day ahead. Bye for now. Bye bye.